Before a construction project breaks ground, it is important to identify and resolve clash and constructability issues. The Model Coordination module provides automated clash detection features to help you quickly identify coordination issues for models hosted on Autodesk Docs. In the Settings area of Model Coordination, you can designate one or more folders in Docs to be used as coordination spaces. Clashes are detected automatically when you add models to those folders. You might create multiple spaces to represent distinct areas of a project or separate teams. Clash results are displayed in an intuitive matrix, helping you quickly identify, locate, and group them to prioritize your work. Your teams no longer need to wait until their next coordination meeting to view the latest changes and move the project forward. You can also easily create and assign coordination issues directly from clashes between models. You can then track those issues across the project team to ensure accountability and resolution. In short, model coordination in Autodesk BIM Collaborate and BIM Collaborate Pro enables your stakeholders to view, manage, and resolve model conflicts.